Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to study about the extraction of metal and enrichment of ore. These topics are from CBSE Standard 10 syllabus. So here first we are discussing about the metal which are least reactive or the metal which are placed at the bottom of the activity series. So metals low in activity series, this is how we are extracting them. It is not very difficult to extract them because they are not very reactive. So the bond between them and the impurity is not very strong. So we can easily extract them. So here this is an ore of mercury. It is called cinnabar or it is called cinnabar. Now this is termed as oxide ore of mercury. That means the oxygen is remain present as an impurity or it is combined with oxygen in its ore. So this ore is known as cinnabar. Now this molecular formula of ore is HgO, mercury oxide. Now when mercury oxide will be there, then with simple heating we can separate mercury from its oxide. Sometimes it is also remain present along with the sulfur. Then it is sulfide ore of mercury. So when it is remain present with sulfur, simply when heating in oxygen or when heating in the air, we will get mercury oxide and sulfur dioxide gas. This mercury oxide again we will heat and we will get our mercury in liquid form. So this is how we are extracting mercury from its oxide ore and from its sulfide ore. Here we will get mercury and oxygen separated. Now when we are talking about copper, copper is also placed low in the activity series. So copper, when it is combined with sulfur, sulfide ore of copper will be there or oxide ore of copper will be there. Simply when we are heating in the air, we can separate them from their impurities. When copper sulfide, we will heat it in the presence of air, we will get copper oxide and sulfur dioxide gas. Here also copper oxide and copper sulfide, when we are heating them in the presence of air, then we will get our copper as a metal or copper as our desired product. We will separate them from its sulfide ore or oxide ore. So this sulfur dioxide gas will separate it from the copper. So this is how we can separate a metal from its oxide ore or sulfide ore. But this is possible when they are placed low at the activity series because they are not very reactive, so it is easy to extract them.